Okay, so I've written some example questions to help you with the past exam questions worksheet that I put on Google Classroom. On Monday's test, there will be one question similar to the direct proportion questions that are on that worksheet. Okay, and these examples that I've written here are very similar to the first three questions on that worksheet. So hopefully this is going to help you. By the way, before I start, we might get interrupted at some stage, or this video might get interrupted by some children interrupting me. Right, the first question. A is directly proportional to the square root of B. A equals 2.1 when B equals 0.49. Find A when B equals 4.41. So the first thing we need to do is rewrite some of these statements using our sort of new maths vocabulary. So if A is directly proportional to, that means A equals K times the square root of B. So A equals K times the square root of B. Okay? And you could also write that as A is directly proportional to the square root of B. So let's fill in some values. When A equals 2.1, B equals 0.49. Okay? So now we need to work out what K is. So, on my calculator, well, before I even do that, I suppose I could work out the square root of 0.49. So the square root of 0.49 is 0.7. So 2.1 is K times 0.7. So K is 2.1 divided by 0.7, which is going to be 3. Okay, so we now know that A equals 3 times the square root of B. And you'd probably get sort of 1 mark for that, 1 mark for getting the K value, and now we need to just get the final answer mark by working out what A is when B equals 4.41. Okay, so we can say, therefore, A equals 3 times the square root of 4.41, and then you just put that into your calculator. 3 root 4.41. Okay, gives the answer as a fraction, but I'll write the answer as a decimal, 6.3. Okay, so there's the next question underneath. If you want, I would pause the video now and have a go at the question. So hopefully you've paused it and had a go at that question. I'm going to do it now. So first of all, I rewrite it using maths language. Y equals K times x minus 4 all squared. Okay, y is directly proportional to x minus 4 all squared. Now I start filling in my values. So when y equals 8, x equals 8. So, okay, and I can work out what that is. 8 minus 4 is 4. 4 squared is 16. So 8 equals k times 16. And hopefully from there, we can work out that k is 8 divided by 16. K is a half. So now I can say that y is a half times x minus 4 all squared. Okay, so I've got probably 1 method mark for getting that k is a half, probably 1 method mark here for filling in like what you know, and then now we just need to find the final answer. So y equals a half times 10 minus 4 all squared, which is a half times 6 squared, which is half times 36 is 18. Okay. Again, if you